when your appeal hearing come, you're stressed, nervous. However, if you know what will happen inside the courtroom once you are in to the court, it will be more easier. Now, many of the appellant, they go with a barrister with whom they never met, and this is the one of the other thing where it's difficult to get come over all this stress. But what will happen? Actually, you shouldn't be stressed, confused, but you should have confident. You shouldn't be nervous. If you do so, you will damage your case. You must be confident that this will be a conversation with me, judge, and the Home Office lawyer and my lawyer. So you have to be confident, just familiar with yourself with the statement which you have already written and submitted to the court. Familiar with the code bundle that will build your confidence. This is the first tips for you to, if you want to go to appeal hearing. Now let move on the main thing. Main thing is what will happen to the court. Well, firstly, timely manner. You should attend at the court on time. This is the important things. Once you into the court, you'll see judge will sit in a bit higher position, a higher chair and barricade. So and your lawyer will sit in the right side table and chair, and the Home Office will sit in the left side. You will sit exactly in front of the judge. There's a lot of gap, so you'll sit there. So once you in, all parties sit, judge will give a brief introduction. More likely judge will summarize what the issue involve, and then judge will probably confirm you understand English, and then judge will ask your barrister to proceed. So what you'll do, your barrister also might be straight away go to the witness statement, or he will clarify the issue unless he agree with the judge. So more likely they will, judge, your barrister or your solicitor will start with you asking question, go through your statement. Your barrister will direct you to go your statement page first, second and third, and then your barrister will ask you your name, address or date of birth to confirm, and then your barrister will ask whether you are familiar with this statement. You confirm yes or no, and then your solicitor or barrister will confirm in the last page of your statement whether this is your signature. You will confirm by yes or no. And then if your barrister need to clarify any other remaining issue, probably they will ask, your barrister or solicitor will ask one or two questions. Then your barrister off, then your barrister will tell the court that I have no further question unless I can assist you to the court. So and then the Home Office time. So Home Office now will cross-examine you. So they will ask you question on the statement, technical question, leading question, the question which try to establish the fact what you are saying is not true, what the Home Office is saying in the refusal letter, that is correct. With this purpose, they will ask technical question. You have to be very careful to give the answer. You should think what is the answer, what the intention behind this question, what the Home Office is trying to achieve by asking me a leading question, ask me a question. So that is how we need to answer. As I said, you have to be honest with the court. You have to familiar with the bundle document statement. This will be easier for you to give the answer. Once the Home Office finish their question cross examination, then the Home Office will hand over to the judge again. Let me also note that if the Home Office ask question which is not supposed to ask, your barrister or your solicitor will interfere. Interfere means they will raise their objection to the judge, and judge will give a direction. Sometimes judge himself or herself will interfere with the Home Office question as well, if necessary and reasonable. Now then what will happen then, once the Home Office finish their question, judge may also ask few questions. If judge left any clarification which is not clear, or any issue remaining which neither Home Office nor your lawyer has covered, judge will ask also a couple of questions. Again, very carefully, with respect, you need to speak with the judge. And then, if following the judge's question and the Home Office question, if there is a new matter arise which require a clarification, then what will happen? Judge will ask your lawyer, your barrister or solicitor, do you have any further question for clarification? So in that case, say for example you give a wrong answer, or an answer which is contradictory with your statement, that time your lawyer will ask again the question to clarify, to clear the fact what you stated which is wrong or incorrect. So this is also a part which you need to understand why your lawyer asking this question again, to clarify, to clear all sort of things. So this is what will happen. Once, if your lawyer say I have no further question, judge will proceed. So what will happen now? Judge got your witness statement, judge got all your supporting document, judge got the Home Office questionnaire, your lawyer questionnaire, all done. Now is submission, part 2 of the hearing. Part 2, submission. First, Home Office will make a submission based on their argument, their document, and the cross-examination that I maintain the refusal letter and the grounds based on. And then they maybe refer the case law, immigration policy, all sort of things. Very rarely they do it. They only just maintain the refusal letter. And then final submission will go to your lawyer. Your lawyer will make a submission based on your statement, skeleton argument, and the bundle supporting document. But primarily, your skeleton argument will be adopted at the submission. Once your barrister or solicitor submit their submission on behalf of you, this is the final stage. Now judge will make a decision. Very rarely judge give the decision in open court. More likely, a judge will reserve the decision to give after 15 days or after 2 weeks, or sometimes 3 weeks take time. In the meantime, judge will review the document, bundle everything. Judge will brief after the submission that you will get a decision after 2 weeks. I hear both cases, and so on. So this is end of the case, or judge will give the decision straight away. I have one case where judge will give decision in open court, but very rarely, just that they always take 2 weeks time. So judge will brief, finish the hearing, you can come home, wait for the decision, and in case if your appeal is refused, you can go to appeal again to the upper tribunal or first tier tribunal first for permission to appeal. So this is briefly what happened inside the courtroom in immigration appeal hearing. I hope this information will give you some idea. Thank you.